Okay, this says a sign maker is welding a sun-shaped design by dividing a regular hexagon into 6 equal triangles. So I'm just going to sketch this hexagon. Ooh, not my best hexagon ever. And just divide it into the 6 triangles that we're talking about. Now those are supposed to be 6 equal triangles, but you can see not so much, right? And it says the side length of the hexagon is 8 inches, right? So essentially what we have here is these 6 triangles, but to create the sun-shaped design, let me just show you what I think he's doing. I think it's like this idea, right? Okay, you've seen shapes like that before, okay? Obviously these would not be arcs, they would be straight lines, but okay, so that's the general idea. And what we're looking for is the area of one of these triangles here, okay? So all that we need to do is find the height of this triangle. You know, we just had talked about it in the other video, you know that each of these angle measures has to be 60 degrees, which means that if we bring this triangle here and just resketch it, that means this is going to be 30 degrees, this is going to be 60, and this length is 4 because this altitude drop down cuts this in half, it bisects it. All right, so if I have my reference triangle, I'll make that blue over here. If I have my reference triangle 30, 60, and 90, this is square root of 3, this is 1, so the altitude is going to be the short leg times the square root of 3. So this altitude is 4 times the square root of 3. So this ends up being actually a really straightforward problem. A equals 1/2 base times height, the formula for the area of a triangle. So we have 1/2 times 4, right, times the height, which is 4 times the square root of 3. But technically, if we're going to use this formula for this, we wanted the area of the whole triangle, not just this little guy. So let me change this to be an 8, and that will give us an accurate area for one of our triangles. Now you can do the math on that. I'm not going to do that for you. And you can leave it as a radical if you want, or you can, multiply it out and round it to something reasonable.